सामईन आदाब। आज के इस प्रोग्राम में हमारे साथ एक मल्टी डायमेंशनल पर्सनैलिटी, डिस्टिंग्विश्ड गेस्ट, एजुकेशनिस्ट, विजनरी लीडर, एक स्ट्रॉन्ग वॉइस इन AIR ड्रिवन एजुकेशन वर्ल्ड, डॉक्टर हरिकृष्ण मारम। डॉक्टर हरिकृष्ण मारम एक डिजिटल ब्रांड एम्बेसडर माने जाते हैं, चेयरमैन विजन डिजिटल इंडिया, फाउंडर चेयरमैन इंपीरियल कॉलेज बेंगलोर, वाइस चांसलर ग्लोबल डिजिटल यूनिवर्सिटी USA, फाउंडर चेयरमैन ग्लोबल इकोनॉमिक फोरम, और साथ साथ बिल्डिंग फर्स्ट AI यूनिवर्सिटी विच कैन डिलीवर 50+ ग्लोबल लैंग्वेजेस। आज हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं, हमारे मेहमान हैं। सर, वेलकम टू कश्मीर, वेलकम टू दिस प्रोग्राम। कैसा फील कर रहे हैं आप?
So, Namaskar. Thank you for wonderful introduction, and it's wonderful to be in Kashmir, that too a beautiful city called Srinagar.
Yes.
So, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे को।
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। चलिए, हमारी दुआएं आपके साथ है, आपका टूर जो है वो सफल रहे और ये हमारे लिए भी एक बेनिफिशियल टूर रहे आपका। और डॉक्टर हरीश सर, लेट अस बिगिन विद आपका जो विजन डिजिटल इंडिया है, व्हाट इज दिस ऑल अबाउट, क्या है?
सो ये विजन डिजिटल इंडिया है, 20 साल का कंपनी है
जी।
सो हमने 20 साल का पहले मैंने पहले कारपोरेट में काम किया है।
जी जी।
सो मैंने वर्ल्ड में 4th लार्जेस्ट फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी में
जी।
काम करके और अच्छा पढ़ाई करके वन ऑफ द टॉप बिजनेस स्कूल्स लाइक ISB बोल के इंडिया में नंबर 1 बिजनेस स्कूल है, इंडियन स्कूल ऑफ बिजनेस बोल के
जी।
उधर पढ़ाई करके बाद में UK में ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी में लीडरशिप प्रोग्राम करके मैं ये सब एडुकेशन का बारे में और ये डिजिटल रिवॉल्यूशन का बारे में बहुत पढ़ाई है वो टाइम में, 20 साल का पहले। सो मैंने सोचा इंडिया विल बी अ राइजिंग कंट्री इन मेनली इन टेक्नोलॉजी। सो मेरे को वो विजुअलाइजेशन आके मैंने वो कारपोरेट इंडस्ट्री छोड़ के मैंने ये कंपनी 20 इयर्स बैक स्टार्ट किया है। सो 20 इयर्स बैक हमने सोचा है वो टाइम में हमारा इंडिया का GDP इज अराउंड 3 ट्रिलियन, so even less than that. So we are 7th or 8th largest country, that's all. So हमने सोचा इंडिया आगे बढ़ेगा, so उसका कारण वही होगा टेक्नोलॉजी में एडवांसमेंट। वो टाइम में 20 इयर्स का बैक ज़्यादा लोग इधर इंडिया में बेस्ट इंस्टीट्यूट्स में लाइक IITs, NITs और सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटीज, टॉप अच्छा यूनिवर्सिटीज पढ़ के हमारा स्टूडेंट्स जा रहा है ज़्यादा US को। सो लॉट ऑफ माइग्रेशन वाज हैपनिंग, सो एंड ऑल US कंपनीज वर प्रॉस्परिंग एंड बिकमिंग टॉप लीडर्स इन द वर्ल्ड। सो 20 साल का पहले क्या है इंडस्ट्री में ज़्यादा फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्रीज और मीडिया कंपनीज और FMCG फास्ट मूविंग कंज्यूमर गुड्स, वो इंडस्ट्रीज का लीडरशिप है। So slowly it started towards information technology, IT companies like Microsoft, IBM, Apple. ये सब companies they were doing very well and they started progressing across the world. So मैंने सोचा ये field में ज़्यादा scope होगा और we can do lot of benefit to the society. So that's how this company started 20 years back. Then we started collaborating with a lot of universities, government, colleges to uplift students in skill development. So वो टाइम में ज़्यादा उतना टेक्नोलॉजी पॉपुलराइज इंडिया में नहीं है। सो हमने फर्स्ट डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में प्रोग्राम शुरू किया है। सो दैट इज द वन ऑफ द इनोवेटिव प्रोग्राम 20 इयर्स बैक। सो बाद में हमने सब वर्ल्ड में टॉप कंपनीज, IT कंपनीज लाइक IBM, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, ओरेकल, अमेजॉन का साथ कोलैबोरेट करके वी लॉन्च्ड सर्टिफिकेशन प्रोग्राम्स. सो पूरा इंडिया में हमने यूनिवर्सिटीज ऑलमोस्ट 250 to 300 यूनिवर्सिटी का साथ कोलैबोरेट करके we trained closely around 1,10,000 students till now in last 20 years.
And what about this your vision for role of AI
Yeah. So हमने
in reshaping the
Exactly.
education
Exactly.
world?
Yeah.
Rather.
So अभी when we look at 2026, so we are just fresh from one of the world's largest global AI Impact Summit, which just concluded in Bharat Mandap in New Delhi,
Yes.
where our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi invited people from across the world. So, why I am telling this is the world's largest AI summit. So, we had a 5 lakh people who are interested to learn about AI and want to take advantage of AI.
Yes.
So these people are from across 100 countries,
Oh.
not from
One
southern
or two or
parts.
10 or 10, 50,
yeah, yeah.
100
So
countries.
100 countries से delegates आया है. बाद में पूरा वर्ल्ड में टॉप कंपनीज लाइक गूगल, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, मेटा, ओपन एआई, एप्पल, ये कंपनीज का सीईओस एंड चेयरमैन्स दे वर इन भारत मंडप इन दिल्ली. So this is a landmark event, and हमने इंडिया achieved a Guinness record for 5 lakh visitors coming to one summit, that is Artificial Intelligence Impact Summit, which happened in Bharat Mandap for 5 days. And we are extremely happy Vision Digital India got selected to showcase our innovation in this Bharat Mandap through this India AI Impact Summit.
That's much better and encouraging.
Yes.
On behalf of Vision Digital India.
Yes.
So, what strategies will you employ
Yes.
to deliver quality education in over 50 languages while maintaining the education
Yes.
this standards?
Yeah. So हमने just 7 months back we launched a very innovative product, first time in the country in India. It is called Artificial Intelligence Trainer.
Yes.
ये क्लासरूम में, whether it is in school, whether it is in college or university में, बच्चों के लिए सीखने के लिए very easy way they can learn about artificial intelligence. Because आज India we are a world's largest populated country. हमारा population है 1.45 billion, that is 145 crore people. But the greatest advantage what we have, unlike any country today, India is, one is the youngest population. हमारा 145 crore population में almost 60% of the population are below 30 age. So ये advantage किसी को नहीं है. No country got this advantage. And the other thing is, now today India is the 4th largest economy. So we are progressing, and maybe soon in a couple of months we will be reaching as a 3rd largest economy. Then the challenge starts, because till now to reaching to 4th to 3rd, it is the most easiest way, because the gap between 4th, 5th or 3rd is very narrow. We are now 4.5 trillion economy. But if you see the second largest, अभी पूरा वर्ल्ड में second largest है China, first largest is the US. So US economy is a $30 trillion है. Our China का economy is a 22 trillion है. हमारा only 4.5. So now the game starts.
Yes.
So now Vision Digital India mainly focusing on artificial intelligence, because हमारा इंडिया में advantage है technology और youth. So
And what about the concept behind first green AI school
yes,
in India?
So हमने सोचा है education is the only way we can able to empower the country, youth, nation. So उसलिए हमने सोचा एक नया innovation लाने का ये AI में, artificial intelligence में. उसमें पहले हमारा कदम रख दिया हमने AI यूनिवर्सिटी. So ये AI यूनिवर्सिटी में क्या होगा, 50 इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेजेस इंक्लूडिंग काश्मीरी, पंजाबी, हिंदी, ओरिया, तमिल, तेलुगु to French, Spanish, Russian, Japanese, जर्मन, these languages में कोर्सेस डिलीवरी होगा.
होगा.
इंडिया में हेडक्वार्टर होगा ये यूनिवर्सिटी और पूरा वर्ल्ड को एआई में ज्ञान देगा. So that is the vision. So we already had a word with our Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan ji, and we are already in discussion with the Education Ministry entire team, and everybody appreciated this concept. So हमने और एक आगे कदम रख के हमने सोचा स्कूल भी स्टार्ट करेंगे एआई में. अभी नेक्स्ट 2026 academic year from July, all schools from 4th standard to 10th standard, AI is going to be a compulsory subject.
Of course.
Already NCERT और CBSE ने बुक्स पब्लिश किया है और ये लॉन्च हो रहा है. ऑलरेडी ऑल द स्कूल्स आर गेयरिंग अप. सो हमने सोचा व्हाई नॉट वी स्टार्ट अ स्कूल विच इज मेनली फोकस्ड ऑन द एआई एजुकेशन. बच्चों को फिलॉसफी पढ़ेंगे और ग्रीनरी में वो एआई दे विल लर्न. So that's why we selected a place called Coorg, which is like a Scotland. It's a beautiful place. So education के लिए और mind के लिए बच्चों के लिए ये इंस्पायर करने के लिए एक अच्छा जगह है. So ये जगह में हम AI भी सिखाएंगे. So उसलिए वो आइडिया आया. That is the AI school, first in its kind again in India. So उसका भी अभी वर्क स्टार्ट हुआ है. सो विद इन 1 year, I think 2027, we are going to launch the programs in the school, mainly focusing on AI education, using the tools like what we developed, AI training mission. This is first in its kind. It is like a microscope. So very easily student can able to learn because this device can be carried to the classroom and can be delivered to the classes. That is the advantage.
That is the advantage. So, what key qualities do you believe are essential for nurturing the next generation of leaders in education and management?
Yeah. So पहले हमारा एडवांटेज है वही इंडिया में. वी हैव a greatest strength. We were called Vishwaguru. So thousands of years back, we had a universities called Takshashila, Nalanda. So these all universities are giving education to the entire world. During that time, there is no flights. There is no proper road transportation. But all the students from across the world, more than 30-35 countries, neighboring countries, used to walk for months and used to come to India to study. So abhi last 70-80 years mein, this we lost because of we were ruled under the British, and our strong kind of, I can say, the pillar of the education, the values are gone. So now again it is a time to bring back this value education, bring back the technology, bring back the innovations what India developed. So यही है time हमारा India, the next 20 years will be a golden period for India. So ये 20 साल में हम we have a lot of advantage unlike any country in this world. So our dream Atmanirbhar Bharat. So the dream of 145 crore people is to become number one.
Number one.
ये world में number one बनना है. So by 2047, when we celebrate हमारा 100 years का Independence Day होगा, हम number one बनाएंगे. So इसके लिए हम सब साथ में काम करना है, साथ में मिलके हमने इंस्पायर करना है लोगों को.
Oh, and there is a question in my mind. How have your studies at prestigious institutions, as you rightly said, ISB and Oxford, shaped your leadership style of education philosophy?
So when I talk about...
did it help?
Yeah, definitely. It brought me a lot of ideas. It brought me a lot of kind of open-mindedness. For example, Oxford University, which is the number one, I can call, oldest existing university in the world now.
Yes.
So we are calling Vishwaguru India with Nalanda Takshashila. This was there for a long time, but this is not existing now. But the existing university is Oxford. Oxford itself is a city.
Yes.
So पूरा ये ऑक्सफोर्ड है ना, ये पूरा सिटी इज बिलोंग टू ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी. And the education, they are the great leaders. The way they teach, the way students learn is a great example to the entire world. So वो एग्जाम्पल लेके हमने सोचा है उससे बेटर, उससे क्वालिटी एडुकेशन इंडिया में लाएंगे with the most affordable education. Because ऑक्सफोर्ड में क्या है, only very few people can able to go there. So but how we can able to reach quality education at affordable cost? Because इंडिया में हमारा 145 करोड़ पीपल है, इसमें 70% are middle class. So how they can able to study quality education? So that is the area हमारा Vision Digital India we are working, and we want to bring that latest technology, latest things to do this and to reach education to all.
And your experience at the Global Economic Forum,
Yes.
how crucial is it in international collaboration
Yeah.
in addressing the these challenges faced by the education sector?
Yeah. So along with Vishwa Guru, when I am calling,
Yes.
today Bharat become Vishwa, the Bharat become a friend of all the nations.
Yes.
That's how when AI Impact Summit happened in Bharat Mandap in Delhi just few days back, on the call of our Indian government, 100 country people just came and participated in all the programs for an entire 5 days. So that shows the friendship of India with the neighboring countries. And we played a very important role. हमने ये कोविड का समय में बहुत बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. We are the one of the leaders in vaccine manufacturing. हमने almost 6 billion vaccine dose manufacture करके almost 80 to 90 country people we given the first COVID vaccine at a free of cost to these countries. So that's how today India becoming a leader. India is getting a very good recognition. 20 years back the story is different. We were treated as one of the economically poor country. But आज इंडिया का बारे में सोचना बदल गया है. So that is only because of people, our efforts, our hard work. So this will carry in the next coming years.
Dr. Harish Krishna Maram has numerous awards, which has the most significance.
Yeah, I got, I think, almost more than 150 to 200 awards.
Yes.
And I delivered almost around 1,000 talks in different conferences across the world. And I traveled around 100 countries. And today I am in Srinagar, part of the Central University, Kashmir. They invited me to be part of the AI conference, which is happening from tomorrow. So these all awards, definitely it motivates. It gives a lot of encouragement to do much bigger things. So मेरे को एक award मिल गया from the royal family of United Kingdom. It's called Knighthood Award.
Knighthood.
Yeah.
Yes.
So very few people in the world got this award. So the people who receive this award, they are called as a sir.
That's true.
Yeah.
So, just like in people in West Indies and all the other.
Exactly.
Sir Gary Sobers.
Yeah.
So Sir
award मिल गया है. So then I got awards not only from India,
Yes.
from across the world, from different governments, from different states. So this definitely motivates and encourages to do much bigger things and to serve this country.
And your personal, looking forward, your personal goals over the next few years?
Yeah, one is to reach 1 million people educating on AI. So we have a wonderful team. I'm fortunate. हमारा team में श्रीनगर का people also there who studied from the best university like Central University.